Hello students, I wanted to shoot this video to give you sort of an orientation on what to expect and where to find your homework, where to find the notes. You should be relieved to know that your notes are still going to look the same as they did during the year. For those of you who preferred me filling out the notes, unfortunately, I am going to have you going through the PowerPoint and filling out the notes yourselves. But during my office hours, from 1:30 to 3:30, I will always be available to answer any questions about how to get to the notes, how to get to the homework. How did you do number 3, Miss Perez? I don't know how to do it. So anytime during the week from 1:30 to 3, you are more than welcome to contact me via email or set up a meeting with me so that we can go over it. So first of all, this is the website. The URL is up here, sites.google.com/sweetwaterschools.net/PerezChem/Perez Chemistry. I know it's super long. Okay, whatever. So this is the first page. You don't have to do the safety agreement or the syllabus. You've already done that. I just wanted to give you kind of like an orientation, as I said. So Introduction to Chemistry was our very first unit. We went over scientific notation, sig figs, the metric system. Second unit was energy and combustion, right? All of our notes and labs are in there. The atom, the periodic table was next. All of our notes and practice are in there. Next is reactions and stoichiometry. We've just finished this unit before we went on our break, in quotation marks. And then we are in this unit here, solutions. So the way this is going to work out is you've got 6 weeks left. I've counted off by week what you will be responsible for. So number 1, for example, would be that first week starting in April 20th. So if you click on the lecture, for example, all right, kiddos. So this is our, sounds like one of my lectures, right? So it's a video of my lecture, but let's go back. So there's the video, but first you need to download the notes. Aha! The notes are right here. So before you can start writing down stuff on the notes, what I want you to do is click File and make yourself a copy. Once you've made yourself a copy, you'll find that you can actually write on it. Please don't write on the note template that I have. So we're going to go back to the website. Okay, so that's the lecture. These are the notes. This lecture ran a little bit over, so this is the second part to the lecture. This is the meat and potatoes. This is the homework. So let's go ahead and click on that. Your homework will always be labeled as practice. All right, so again, please click File and make yourself a copy. And now you can write on it, right? Ms. Perez, why don't noble gases, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so you could do that later. We are going to go back to the website. Okay, so this first week, starting on April 20th and ending on April 24th. April 24th. But Ms. Perez, what's due April 24th? So April 24th, these two things are due. Periodic trends practice and solubility and temperature lab. So if you go into solubility and temperature lab, all you have there is the Gizmo PDF. So what you need to do is go into Explore Learning You're going to have to log in and enroll, and I will send you a class code. Once you do that, you will see that solubility and temperature has already been added to your period, and then you can go ahead and start that one. Week number two is going to start April 27th and go all the way to May 1st. So May 1st, you will have these 2 worksheets due. So this coincides with week number 2. And yeah, that's all for now.